Hi, this is Hirok Das. In this video, we'll discuss about the engineering services previous year's question, and this question is from electronics device and circuit in the year 2000. The question is match list 1 biasing of junction with list 2 function and select the correct answer. So list 1 is given different junction biasing and list 2 is given their function. Okay, so we have to choose the right correct function and junction biasing. Okay, before choosing the option, let's discuss about this biasing, junction biasing. Okay, there is two in PN for BJT. There is two junction. Suppose this is PNP junction. No, not draw like this. So this is emitter. This is base collector. Okay, so there is two junction. This is VEB or VBE, base emitter junction, and this junction is VCB, collector base junction. Now we write these two junction VEB and VCB, and third option is function. We write operating region. Okay, this is the operating region. If we kept base emitter junction forward bias and collector base junction reverse bias, then the transistor or BJT works in active region. Okay, now if we kept base emitter base junction for reverse bias and collector base junction forward bias, then it is inversion mode. And if we kept base emitter junction forward bias, collector base junction also forward bias, so it is saturation mode. And if we kept both junction in reverse bias, this is reverse bias and this junction is also reverse bias, then it is in cutoff. Okay, this is the four mode of BJT. If and that they are biasing the forward bias, if you use in base emitter junction forward bias or any biasing is used. So for now the option A is given base emitter junction is forward bias. Okay, emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction is reverse bias. Okay, so they mention this condition. See, emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction is reverse bias. So the transistor is in active region. Okay, in active region it acts as a current gain amplifier or gain amplifier. Amplifier as active amplifier से काम करता है. Okay, now see, option is given high gain amplifier. So A is given 3 high gain amplifier and B is given emitter base and collector base both are forward bias. Okay, so they told this condition, emitter base junction is forward bias and collector base junction is also forward bias, so then transistor acts like a saturation mode. Okay, the transistor acts like a saturation mode, so they directly given saturation condition do 2. So option B will be 2. Now emitter base junction is reverse bias, collector base junction is forward bias, so they told this configuration, emitter base junction is reverse bias and collector base junction is forward bias. So this is the condition for inversion mode. In inversion mode there is a small leakage current is flowing, so it can be very low gain amplifier, so it will be very low gain amplifier this. And option D is given, if both emitter base and collector base is reverse bias, then this condition both are reverse bias, that means the transistor is in cutoff. Okay, so for D correct option is 4. So here A, B, C, D, So A is emitter base junction forward bias, collector base junction is reverse bias, so it is very high gain amplifier. Option 3. Option 3. Now B is given both emitter base junction is forward bias, that is saturation. Option 2. And C, emitter base junction reverse bias and collector base junction is forward bias, that is very low gain amplifier, inversion mode. 1. And D, both junction is reverse bias, that is cutoff. Option 4. So exact option will be 3214. 3214. So B is the right answer for that question. Okay, thank you.